Hello, Robert. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I got permission from Catherine to send this video over to you about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website, you got a really nice header here, nice logo, got a great click to call, which is always good for those quick conversions. Then you have, of course, all your drop-down menus and your location in Newport News. So, just looking down, of course, once again, reiterate and talk a little bit about the different services. Of course, you are mobile, so you bring the showroom to them, which is awesome. Then just going through, of course, you've been in business for a whopping 30 years, which is amazing. And then your location once again, um, which I went to school right there. No, all right. So just looking through your website, it's a really nice site. I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't see the most content, so I see about 500 to 700 words. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words. The reason for that being is so that you can organically put in buyer or organically put in keywords throughout your site. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word that a customer is putting into Google in order to find your specific service. For that, let's check out behind the scenes of your website. So first up, we put in jackstileandcarpet.com, and out pops your rankings. So two things we're looking at are the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR is the strength, which is a good 28, and the DR is the trust rating, which is a 9. So ideally what we're looking for is for both these numbers to be between 30 to 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way we do that is with backlinks and referring domains. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. And what a referring domain is what the site is that leads back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from the domain of Wikipedia would be awful because that's super spammy. However, from a good flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your service. Now, another thing, you have 867 organic keywords. You have 867 buyer intent words that Google is ranking you for. But let's check out what those words are. So, of course, you're ranking for your own name, Jackson Tile, carpet dining, near me. This is going to be your first word that is actually buyer intent for your area. And that's second position. And because of that, you're getting 10%, a little over 10% of the traffic. So you're getting 4 people through your site. Flooring Newport News, same thing. You're in the second or third, so you're getting 3 people. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest. Newport News doesn't have the best search volume as far as flooring goes. What you want to rank for, and I saw a couple throughout your site, throughout your keywords, you want to rank for Virginia Beach. That has the highest search volume in the surrounding areas of Chesapeake, Suffolk, Norfolk, and Newport News and Hampton. Virginia Beach is going to beat them all out in a landslide. So that's really what you want to rank for. So let's check out what a good keyword for Virginia Beach would be. And that is flooring Virginia Beach, plain and simple. First thing that pops up are the G&B. So these are, it's super important to get on the Google Map Pack because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these 3 people because they don't know any better. It's the top 3. They must be good. Then you're going to have your organic rankings by strength of website. So for Floors to Go, let's check out their website. So first up, they have a really nice site as well. A lot of annoying drop downs. It takes up the entire screen, which I don't like. But they have a nice logo. They have their drop downs. They have their click to call. And then, of course, they have some content on their homepage. They don't have a lot, so it would be easy to beat them out as far as content goes. But let's see behind the scenes why they're doing so well. So floors, we put them in, Floors to Go. Out pops their UR and DR. As you can see, they have a whopping 28 strength and 44 trust. So their backlinks and referring domains are working for them really well. They have some really good ones. Now, what they're also doing really well, I know they have less organic keywords than you do. However, they're ranking for the some great organic keywords. As you can see, Flooring Virginia Beach has a volume of 300. They're in the first real position, so they're getting 45 traffic from that, just from that one word. Floors to Go, that's them. Hardwood Flooring, 200. Hardwood Flooring Virginia Beach, 200. They're in the first real position. They're getting 26 people from that. Hardwood Floors, same deal. So as you can see, because they're ranking in the top positions for Virginia Beach, which has high volume, they're getting that high traffic through their site. So if we're looking to beat them out, you have some great backlinks and referring domains already. I would just go into them and Floors to Go and take theirs. Theirs are working extremely well, as you can see. So you can add those onto yours so that they'll boost yours up even more so you can beat them out without any problems. And then you need that content. You want to add some location pages or add more content throughout your site in order to organically put Virginia Beach Virginia Beach keywords throughout your site, because as you saw, Virginia Beach is going to rank you way higher, is going to bring you way more traffic. I know you're going to have to travel through the HRBT a little more, but um, it'll certainly bring you a lot more traffic through your site and a lot more calls, and you'll get a lot more people. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you like what you saw, you can always reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would always be appreciated. You have a blessed rest of your day.